Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to use Safari on your iPhone. So first thing we're gonna do is open the Safari application. The symbol of the Safari application is like this. It's like a compass. If the Safari application is already appear or display on your screen, you can just like click it directly. But if it's not, we can just go into the application library, and then after that just click the search button, and then click or type Safari like there. After appear, just click it, and now we are generated into the page of the Safari. And the things we're gonna do is just typing on the search button the information that we want to have. For me, I want to looking for the temperature of Yogyakarta, the place that I am. Now after that's appear on the Google search, click it, and now we will be generated into several information related to the things that we typed before. So here say that the temperature of Yogyakarta now is 30 degrees Celsius, and if you scroll down there is several information related to the degree or the temperature of Yogyakarta that you can rate here. And after that, if you want to have like more page to looking for another information, just click this button, and then after that click plus. Now you can type anything that you want to have again here, and then let's say nutrition fact of milk. Then after that just click enter, and there will be appear another information related to what you're looking for. If you want to save this article, just go into this share button and then scroll down, and there will be an option to save it as a favorite, or you want to add a bookmark, or even you want to add into the reading list. If you want to add it into favorites, just go into the favorites and click save. And now this article is already saved on your favorite. How to check it? Just go into this book symbol and then go into here, scroll down, and you will be see a nutrition fact of milk that you saved before. So that's all how you use the Safari application on your iPhone. If you find out this video is quite useful for you, please kind of like subscribe into this channel.